All right, we're live once again. See, today is September 3rd. It's Wednesday. Whoa. Okay. The market opens in about 10 minutes. Let's see, before we even enter the market. Yesterday we took the trade, so that's that. We still have 50K. And in regards to, let's see, news, we have we only have 10 a.m. US JOLTS job openings. Just look at that if anything. But nothing crazy. Um crazy as of right now. I think maybe tomorrow we might have a bit of a little more things going on because I think there's unemployment claims as well. But yeah. Anyway, there is gonna be a yeah, news as well Friday, but that's the being on point. Anyway, let's see. We have MES, I mean Q. So let's see, looking at the daily here in MES, yeah. So one thing I did notice upon coming to the markets, we have, let's see, a daily here, which we are holding up right now. So we might be bullish, although everything is telling me that we might be bearish. We do have a daily SMT right here, but we're also respecting this daily, and there I think is a daily SMT here as well, or a possible SMT here as well. So we might be pushing back up. So I just want to keep in mind. Um, we did take out this low in MNQ, so I think we might want to see us push back maybe up to this high. And MNQ, I mean MES, we might want to just see us push up towards this high as well. We didn't sweep anything, but we respected the FEG, so I think we might want to see us come back up, honestly, as a possibility. So we might be looking to be bullish. There's FEGs all over here, right? Once again, though, we respected the daily, and when we took out liquidity sitting at these levels. Granted, I think this might be no, they're not equal highs. They're almost equal highs, so maybe we might want to come down to take those out before we go up, possibly speaking. We came down, we for this FEG, pull back up. We are currently in this 4-hour FEG up here. Right here. But yeah, so nothing to keep in mind. 4-hour FEG right there. MES, we're also currently in a 4-hour FEG. But yeah, I'm just to take this rid of this, but yeah, this is daily running right now. And yeah, so maybe we want to see us respect this 4-hour FEG on both of these and take out these fairly equal lows, or in this case, this will be this low, or push up, which might be the overall idea since we took out these lows in MNQ and then we respected the daily in MES. So I want to say bullish for today. Just zooming in a little bit. Let's see, we have MNQ once again. We have 9:30 open. We have London 3 o'clock, and then we have Asia at 1200. Um, so regardless, one way or the other, Asia high I taken out anyway, doesn't matter. We do have Asia low right here, and then we have London highs up here, and then we once again similarly over here seem to have a similar idea going on. 1800 right here. Yep. So we have highs and such in Asia is doesn't matter. And then we have Asia low. We have high, London high, and then we have London low, which would be probably somewhere right here. Yeah, London low would be right there. Yeah. Similarly, London low would be right here, give or take. And MNQ as well. So if we do want to push lower, I want to see us probably take out London high. And once again, retap into the 4-hour FEG. Well, maybe tap into this 1 hour as well, which we already previously took out, but we did take out these highs. Now I think about it right here as well. So what I'm thinking is that if we are overall bullish, I may want to see us come up here, take out this London high, respect the 4 hour, and then come back down towards this 4 hour FEG over here. Maybe even tap into this FEG and take out London and Asia lows. And similarly here, respect this 4 hour FEG, come back down to this and take out into these 4 hour FEGs, and take out London Asia low as well, possibly. But yeah, this daily is still holding up in MES, and once again we're pushing up from this. So before we push up, you might want to see us push back down. Just another thing to keep in mind. Let's see. Uh, so if we do want to sell off, I would probably see us try to aim for close below these lows right here, and then shoot back down. Maybe even create an SMT. So maybe we just take out internal highs here and here in MES, and then we fail to do so. I mean, we take out a London high here in MNQ, and which will only be like internal highs here in MES, and then we just create. We don't take out London high, and we shoot back down. But yeah, you see there's an SMT right here. We didn't take out this here, so we are pushing up. Um, so yeah, I think maybe what I want to see is us push down first, but I want to see where we want to manipulate to. If we manipulate up here, then we might want to come back down here, and if we don't, then on, then maybe go the other way around. But if we do push higher, I'd probably want to see us tap into this FEG here, maybe, but I'm not even sure honestly. Thinking about it, yeah, thinking about it, we have a lot of liquidity sitting at these levels right here. We just tapped into this one, but it's liquidity sitting here, here, and here, as well as here, 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 and here. We have a lot of liquidity sitting at these levels, which would make sense as to why we might want to push up. But like I said, I think before we push up, I want to see us probably respect this FEG and push down into this previously created FEG, and then push back up. But yeah, that's actually I'm like that's actually a good way to look at it. Boom, 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 boom. A lot of liquidity sitting at those levels. I think maybe MES is a cleaner setup, maybe. But I just want to see where we manipulate to. That's what I'm aiming for. See how that ends up going. Wow. I don't know. Maybe MNQ has a better setup. Maybe it's a little more straightforward. Tap into the 4 hour, creating a 4 hour right here. So maybe come back here, respect this, and then push back up towards these highs up here, these stacked up highs. Here, maybe aim towards this bit. So this, no. this case it would be here, 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 and then we took this one out already. But yeah, basically. Plus here, 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 nope, here, and here. FYI, market open as well. So see what it does. Okay, we're pushing down. Okay, we're taking out these lows right here. Market open, we came up here, we took out this high, and yeah, we just took out these right here. Well, it seems like London created these right here. We took them all, and then we come and push to this level right here. Since we have all this liquidity thing at these points, we just took it out. We didn't take out London high, but we came down. And I want to see us, I guess, close below these to indicate us wanting to push to these London lows and Asia lows. Oh, thinking about it, we did already take out these lows right here with this move, and we took these out here as well. This move. So I guess we just want to see what it does. It looks like it's been consolidating a lot though, all things considered. We do still have a lot of stacked up liquidity at these levels, so that's something I want to look into to taking um as uh low resistance liquidity. React to this 1 minute, I mean 1 hour right now. This 1 hour refugee. MES as well. If anything, I think I would want to see us do. I would want to take out these liquidity. There has been a change in the state though, so that's the thing to consider. The 5 minute. What I would want to see us do is close below these lows. Because there is stacked up liquidity here, which we did take out here. Which we did take out in MNQ and MNQ. We didn't in MES. That could be an SMT. Yeah, I'm looking at this right here. We got these highs here, but we didn't here. So I am looking to close below these lows right here. The 5 minute. Although we do already have a 5 minute change in, I mean, we do already have a 5 minute change in the state. So another thing to consider would be closing below here. Nope. We did previously respect this FEG, the 15 minute. Seems not holding no more. So maybe we could use it as an inverse. Um, that's a possible thing. Unless you want to come up here, which I don't, but I don't think so. So I think I might be looking into seeing us go and use this as a possible inverse after we disrespect it, assuming that we do. Huh. One thing I did notice though, we did pull back into this move after closing above this high in 1 minute, but I want to see us close above it in the 5 minute, suggesting it wants to push it out, push down. And if it does, then I probably want to see us then return and maybe take out this low up here. Maybe. Did it close? Yep, it did. I want to see us take a possible entry. Maybe at this level right here. High. Towards Asia low. Possibly. Only thing that's worrying me is that this could be seen as a sweep in a 15 minute. But looking at it from the 4 hour, we're respecting this 4 hour. Asia and London are sitting at this level. You know what I'm gonna do? If we are trying to go down, I'm probably gonna take a entry at this inverse right here. Stop loss at this level right here. And then we can shoot back down, assuming we want to do so. Ability. I would have liked to see the. I would have liked to see a rally gap in one of the large time frames, but we came up here. We had already taken out these highs, came down. We closed below these lows. We are currently respecting the 4-hour FEG in M&Q. We took out this internal high as well. I think we have a built up liquidity here, which we do want to tap into, but I think we first want to tap down here to these levels and then shoot up. I'm thinking. Okay, closed. I want to see us push back down into the inefficiency. I'm gonna take a buy here. So I did miss my sell or my entry, but if anything, I'll take a buy order. But hopefully, it wants to tap into this inverse because it seems to have held. We took out these internal highs, right, in market before market open. I wonder if we're trying to. I wonder if we're consolidating or not right now, because I mean, we seem to be we seem to be continuing the trend, the downside. Why I'm remaining where I am at. Similarly, we're expecting a 4-hour FEG right now in MES and in MQ. Hence my sell position. I'm thinking maybe we want to take out this internal liquidity and hopefully push back down. Unless, of course, once again, it's maybe it is stalling to see what happens with news. I think that's a possibility. I'm gonna close my position because I don't think I have enough confidence to say that that we're good to go. I lost $6, which is fine. But I don't know. I think right now it's just bouncing back and forth. I don't think yeah, I don't think yeah, I don't think I'm feeling confident right now in terms of what it's trying to do. Because now that I think about it, this looks more like consolidation right now. Once I saw this, so I saw this push back down, come up back up here, push lower, and we had already broken over here. Past this low, sure, but it still seems to be like dancing around a little bit. And so I did see this what is it? Was it this one? Yeah, I saw this break of structure and we retraced back into this 1 minute, but then we pushed way higher. So it didn't hold and which is fine, but yeah, I'd rather leave now, $6 less, which is fine, doesn't matter. But um yeah, I guess right now, well, I think I'm just wait for news for now. I don't think I see any I don't really see any setups right now. I think we do have a lot of built up liquidity though, at these levels up here though. So I'm just gonna wait. See maybe at 10 a.m. we see some kind of movement. I mean, we might see something beforehand, but I don't know. Looks like I want to say we were pushing down, but it just looks like we're wicking, picking out these lows. Yeah, we're not ready to move. Ugh. EC holding this FE in the 15 minutes so far. Um, Similarly in ES, still holding up as well. Looks like we took out whatever liquidity was built here up here. Um, Market playing games right now. Ah, damn. Yeah, MNQ still has this 4 hour down here. And then once again, we're expecting this 4 hour up here. Still inside this 4 hour. Um, uh, we seem to be pushing down to this FEG here. We haven't really closed below any of these, but still we could still very well reverse. Especially if it wants to respect this 15-minute FEG, which I think is still yeah, so news releases in about a minute and a half. Wow. We're currently playing this 1 hour FEG as well, and MES, and technically um MNQ as well. All right, and this should release soon. We seem to have pushed all the way down here, and we closed below all these lows. So one thing to keep in mind, we might be pushing lower. All right, news release. So I'm gonna give it like I don't know, a couple minutes maybe to digest, see what's up. I'm thinking maybe that's what this was, a new scandal, essentially. Oh. All right. So if we want to push down, want to see us close below these lows, up above this high, or above these highs here, and below these. Well, we closed above these lows or below these lows already. So things to keep in mind. We're still holding this 5 minute FEG here. Same thing here. We're still holding this 5 minute FEG. We just look at this high up here. If we close above this high in the 5 minute, we might want to see us push higher. When I would want to see us see how we react to these levels right here. This FEG, it didn't hold, but this bottom one did. Pretty sure we tapped into. We did. But in any case, I want to see us close above this high, above London high. Have us push up to this high up here. Or in MES, similar situation, go up, close above, and push up. We have an obvious change in the state right here. We have a change in the state at this level, right? Right here. We disrespected this FEG, this 5 minute FEG here. Could act the possible inverse. So maybe anything I want to see is maybe drop back down to this level. But what I want to see most is us close above these highs. Because if we do, then we might want to take out all liquidity sitting at these levels right here. In the 1 minute, no, this didn't hold either. Ugh. Might see an SMT. Actually, we might take out this internal high and London high, and then MES we might take out this high, maybe this high. Yep. But we're taking out London high right now in a 5 minute in MNQ. Hmm. We just took out London high, which obviously we didn't in MES. I just want to know if we want to come back down to it or not. We have a lot of liquidity sitting here. I'm trying to wonder, like, what are we trying to do now? Huh. So we just took out, yeah, we just took out this London high and the previous high on the previous candle, and it seems to be pushing back up. We do have previous day high here, which might we might want to go aim for possibly. Huh. What I'm thinking we want to do, if we see close above these highs, then I think what we want to do is take out some of this liquidity, which would then eventually we would aim probably take out liquidity at London highs in MES. We're pulling back down to this IFEG coupled with this 5-minute FEG. If they hold, then that might be a reason for us to continue to the upside. But and on top of that, we have the change in state direction as well. We want to take out this low. So we just took out this low in MES. If we close below this low, then we might want to be pushed back down. Have Union to stay right here. Want to see us close below right here. Right here. If we do, then we might want to take an entry. We did. Okay. Close above this high. Pushing back down to this FEG isn't insane. We also did disrespect this FEG here, which can act as a 1-minute inverse. In reference to confluence, we have these highs respected this order flow. We failed to make higher highs. We are respecting this 4-hour FEG. There's a 4-hour FEG sitting below here as well. Combined with Asia low and London low. We close above this this low in the 5 minutes. Possible entry at on that level. If we do form this FEG here, I want to see us enter at this 5-minute FEG. Although we did sweep London highs already in we did sweep London highs already in MNQ. I think we're trying to move down towards this level right here. Possible entry once again at this level. Similarly here in MNQ, we have a change in the state at this level right here. We close, but yeah. Oh, change in the state here, and then we close above below this low as well in the 1 minute. Ideally, want to just maybe close below these, but I'm looking forward to creating this 5 minute FPG here. Hopefully, see how that goes though. We did it. Never mind. We do have this 1 minute FEG here though. I mean, we did come down to this 15-minute FEG, which might make sense as to why we pushed back up. I know we're gonna want to come back to this liquidity at some point, but I can't tell when that would be. Okay, we came down, respected this 15-minute FEG, pushed up. We did as well in MES. So I want to see us close above this London high. If you want to go higher. Came down to this 1 hour FEG here. We did tap into the 1 hour here as well. That's supposed to be here. Hold up. One thing I didn't keep was at market. We did open. We did take eventually take out this high, and then we took out we took out this high. We took out this high at this level. Came back up, took out a high, and then came back down. We closed below this low right here in the 1 minute. Yeah, we closed below the low in the 1 minute right here. And then we created this FEG here, which we respected. No, sorry, not here. This candle right here closed below this low, and then we retraced back towards this FEG here, which we held. I guess a possible entry could have been somewhere here towards the 1 hour inefficiency. And then that would have been a possibility, thinking about it. It's also hard to tell with news coming in as well, so I don't really want to get cooked either. But I think now we want to just see a reversal since we just well, not reversal but just continuation because we came back down to this 1 minute to this 1 hour FEG. There was this one as well, but we came all the way down to this one, so we could just see us push back up now. Goes below it here, right here in the 5 minute. This is the candle that closed below it. Right here, push down, retrace towards an FEG here. In this case, I want to see us close above here. I guess if you could think about it, I think I did have possible opportunities on both ends, but there were well, this one was a little bit more based on that 5 minute FEG. We did close below these lows right here, push back into this 5 minutes. We held and then we pushed to this 1 hour. Although thinking about it, nah, there wasn't an entry because this occurred after we pushed. Yeah, so that was no good. Maybe here was better since we came down here, closed below this low, closed below this low. Oh, actually, no, not even. Yeah, no. We saw no closes below in the 5 minute in the proper. I could have done the 1 minute, but ideally, I want to see us close below the 5 minutes. See real momentum. Example right now, possibly. I want to see us close above this and then come back to this 5 minute FEG. We just tapped into this 1 hour. We previously took out London highs already. And we disrespected this previous FEG. Shut up. But then again we came back down the same thing anyway, doesn't matter. So it's not anything crazy. No FEG no more. But yeah, I still want to see us close above the 5 minutes and then look for a possible entry in the 1 minute. Assuming we want to, obviously. Yeah, no, I think that's it. I'm not taking any trades today. Well, besides the one trade that I took, but I pretty much ended on even, which is $6 loss, which is whatever. Um, yeah, I think that's it for today. I don't think I'll be taking any trades. Hopefully tomorrow we have better price action. Right now, today was a little weird. I'll be honest. In all fairness, I did not see this 1 minute, 1 hour FEG me want to come back to possibly. I should have considered it though. Regardless, I had no entry given that I didn't really see any entries within a 5 minute time frame. 1 minute possibly, but it was hard to tell pre-market news. So yeah, I think that's that for that. Tomorrow is Thursday, so once again a trade. I'm gonna consider that we really didn't take a trade today. I mean, yeah, we did, but luckily I didn't lose anything. But I got out before it went south or anything. But it still stalled for a bit. So that's besides the thing. So yeah, maybe maybe I'll take a look at what the charts say later. But yeah, so that's it for today. So yeah, this is.